the position that I'm in. It's really weird. I had to like sit like this. Hi guys, it's Kari and today I'm doing a unboxing video. You may be wondering, the hell are we unboxing? Let me tell you something. We are unboxing today. We will be unboxing DAY6'S 2018 season greetings. Day and night boy. Now I have already taken it out of the package and I've opened everything and like unsealed everything so I can make this faster. I've not looked at anything except for the, you know, things I had to open, which was just the mini posters, and I think the only one I saw was Sungjin's when I opened it, so going in kinda half blind. If you hear any noises, I do have my niece and nephew over, so there'll be a lot of noises. But without all said, let's get on to unboxing this box. There's a tear. So, the first thing you will see from this box is the calendar. Would you please? Calendar. So, let's open the calendar. First thing from the calendar is their signatures and stuff saying linked to them. And of course, Jay's is in English. Of course it is. And then you get photos of them. And their resolution goals. I cannot English. So, what is January, my friends? Here's Sungjin. Oh my god. Just slightly can't breathe. Okay, and next is that picture, and then Sungjin's birthday. Sekachukkai. I am also quite sorry if my Korean is horrible. I am learning Korean. I've been learning Korean for a while, but it's not really that good. And I do not learn Korean only to meet my oppa and make them fall in love with me. No, I think the language is cute. So, and I'm not Asian. I am the most American person you will ever meet. Next month. Dude. I'm actually gonna cry. That's a child. There's tears. There's the other photo. This is February. Next month, we'll open it together this time. Oh, geez. Fucking open it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. That's Jay. And then this, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's Jay. Alright, next person. Okay, 1 pound. Next month, this is April. I don't know if I said March because of Jay. Oh, it's Sungjin for May. Is there anything in May? Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. What? That's just drop. That's drop dead gorgeous. Okay, next month. June. From 17. Okay, ready? Oh, I thought it was gonna be Young K. It's all of them though. On my DAY6'S anniversary, the 7th of June. Oh my goodness. Brian.
Who is Brian?
Go back. That's so this is the bias. Okay, on to the next month, which is August. Here's the long. Bro. Holy. Whoa. Put it back.
I'm drinking some bad.
Did JYP think this was a good idea? Do you think I'd make it out alive? Not look at this photo and try not to cry. Oh my god. Next month, hopefully it doesn't murder me. October. The only word I have for this is fuck. Oh my god. Bruh, one pill is looking really good. Oh, they all looking really good. So next month, which is my birthday month, and I'm gonna cry. Next month is my birthday month, November. One pill! This is a death wish. This is illegal. This is not okay. Illegal. JYP illegal. Okay, now it's time for December. You know, who is it? It is Young K. And we have Young K's birthday. And it says congratulations. Yeah. That's Ooh. And then at the back it's got 2019. It's cool. Alright. Well, that was the calendar. Okay, the next thing that we are oh my god. Next thing we are gonna check out is the mini posters. Clearly you can see this is Sungjin, this is Bob. He's a big bear. And he's lovable. And I love him. This is Jay. He's the bias record. Of course. Goodbye. Who's next? Wow, I cannot look at that. Okay. The bias is next. The bias is next. Oh, so they write stuff about each other in the book. I'll try and read it in my Korean, like I said. Not that good. Don't. It's a child. And I don't mean like, okay, by meaning my Korean isn't good, is that my pronunciation isn't that. I don't think my pronunciation is that good. But, I mean, I can read. It's hard, since I'm American. So it's gonna take me like 5 minutes to read like, maybe a sentence, like, I don't know. Yeah. That's cute. I bet you they wrote English for J's. Wait, where is it? Wait. English. Only J, Young K, and Wong K. Bookpill's writing is even better than mine. What are the odds, man? Boy. Okay, now I'm going to look at journal. Now I use journals a lot, so I'm probably gonna like fill this thing. That's pretty. Damn it. Oh, they've got the things that I like. Bitch. I'm in January. Now what in the fuck? Stolen, sweetie. Jay. More one. He's so pretty. Sungjin, Megan, and all of them. I like how they put their birthdays in this too, and the My Day. It's cute, and it's just a picture of all of them. And then for July, it's Young K, Do, more Do in August, and his birthday is right next to the picture. Jay. More Jay, because of Jay's birthday. And then DAY6'S 3rd anniversary. Alright. We're back. Picture of all of them. For November, I have Wonpil again. It's for my birthday. My birthday is November 7th, by the way. Listen. Did JYP think this was a good idea? To put my bias and make him like smile? That boy! In December, Young K's birthday, and picture of Young K. And all of them. Once again, and I'm pretty sure. And then it becomes the journal part, which I will write a lot in. It's a very pretty journal too. I like when journals have like that kind of stuff on them. And it's sparkly too. I like that. Yeah. I like it a lot. And then we have Polaroids. So we will look through those. So the first Polaroid I see, I guess I didn't. And I see Young K. By the way, I got this box off of eBay, so you never know. It's quite good, actually. Here we go again. Okay. So, first one is Younghae Kang-yong-han. And J. Park Jae-hyun. Boy, you're too white for my camera. Wonpil, Kim Wonpil. They're so cute, man. Yoon Do-woon. Do-woon. And then Songjin. Is it Park Songjin? I think. But Songjin. He's too white for my camera too. What the hey, man? That's cute. I also have a see-through case for my phone, so I'll probably put like Younghae's picture in it. It's cute. Oh, what happened? My Satan has taken over. So that was the Day 6 2018 season greetings box. I mean, it's a pretty good amount of stuff, and I liked every single bit of the stuff that I got. And yeah, like I will use that journal a lot because I like to draw, and I don't have much things to draw in anymore, so use it a lot. I hope you all enjoyed me opening my Day 6 box. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments below who is your Day 6 bias. And if you don't have a Day 6 bias, would you get into Day 6? So that is it for today, guys. I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Songjin out. I'm one out.